SSLC Social Science Model Paper 1. 4 choices are given for each incomplete statements or questions. Choose the correct answer and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet. The rebellion against British at Bidanur and Shikaripura in 1800 is dash. Hyder Ali, Dondiya Bagh, Chennamma, Sangolli Rayana. Answer is Dondiya Bagh. Derozio had to resign from his teaching post because of the pressure from his colleagues and opponents, his ill health, his interest in studies on Vedas, the pressure from the government to return back to England. Correct answer is A. The pressure from his colleagues and opponents. Panchashila principles were signed between Jawaharlal Nehru and Meiji, Motilal Nehru and Zhou Enlai, Jawaharlal Nehru and Zhou Enlai, Motilal Nehru and Chacha Nehru. Correct answer is C. Jawaharlal Nehru and Zhou Enlai. Migration is one of the main features of organized sector laborers, unorganized sector laborers, child laborers, female laborers. Correct answer is B. Unorganized sector laborers. Narmada Bachao movement was led by Medha Patkar, Arjun Aradhya, Tehri Garwal's villages of Salyani. Correct answer is A. Medha Patkar. Nagarjun Sagar project is built across the river Rihand River, Kaveri River, Sutlej River, Krishna River. Correct answer is D. Krishna River. Ashraya Yojana was implemented with the intention of providing employment, providing houses, providing agricultural lands, providing education. Correct answer is B. Providing houses. The Consumer Protection Act was passed in the year 1976, 1986, 1963, 1960. Correct answer is B. 1986. Second main, answer the following questions in a sentence each. Why was Fort William College opened in Calcutta? Fort William College was opened in Calcutta for the benefit of people aspiring to join civil services. Who is known as Iron Man of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is known as Iron Man of India. What is unemployment? Unemployment is a situation where a person does not find work in accordance to his capacity or qualification. What is female feticide? Female feticide is an attempt to stop the natural growth of a female fetus in the womb of a mother or aborting the fetus forcibly. Why should we plant trees along the coast? To check the impact of cyclonic winds and the soil erosion. Which is the coldest month in India? January is the coldest month in India. Why is 15th of March celebrated as World Consumers Day? On March 15, 1962, that day, the President John F. Kennedy gave the American consumer four basic rights: the right to safety, the right to choose, the right to information, and the right to be heard. For this reason, 15th of March is celebrated as World Consumers Day. What is national income? National income is the total value of all goods and services produced in a country during 1 year. Third main, answer the following questions in 2 to 4 sentences each. Explain dual government introduced by Robert Clive. Robert Clive introduced dual government. As per this, the British had the right to collect land taxes. The Nawab had power over administrative issues like justice and others. What were the reformations advocated by Satyashodak Samaj? The reformations advocated by Satyashodak Samaj were: this Samaj was founded by Mahatma Jyotiba Phule. He wrote books like Gulamagiri and Shatkaryacha Asood. He opened schools for Shudras and girls. He allowed people from all castes, including untouchables, to draw water from his well. Savitribai Phule joined hands with him in his endeavor. What are the reasons for the tensions between India and Pakistan? The reasons for tensions between India and Pakistan are terrorism, Jammu and Kashmir issue, water sharing disputes, attacks on Indian Parliament House in 2001, Mumbai attack in 2007, Pathankot attack in 2016. Or, what are the guidelines provided by United Nations General Assembly on Human Rights? The guidelines provided by United Nations General Assembly on Human Rights are: the General Assembly has mandated the member countries to adopt and protect human rights in every country. The UNO has provided guidelines along with the Human Rights Declaration. The guidelines included 30 columns. It asked for the commitment on the part of member countries for the compulsory implementation of human rights. It formed International Human Rights Commission. Write a note on Narmada Bachao Andolan. The huge dam built across the river Narmada in Gujarat under Sardar Sarovar project displaced local tribal people. A scientific studies found that the dam would affect the ecological balance of the area. The people agitated against the dam under the leadership of Medha Patkar. This movement has been going on for a long period. Or write a note on the advantages of division of labor. The advantages of division of labor are specialization. It has helped people to gain skill. It helps to earn economic benefits in accordance to their skills. Business and industrialization emerged. Few people could invest more and earn more profit. Which are the important seasons of India? The important seasons of India are the winter season, the summer season, the rainy season, the retreating monsoon season. Why are forests declining in India? The expansion of agricultural land, construction of roads and railway, irrigation projects, industrialization, urbanization, overgrazing, forest fires. Due to all these reasons, forests are declining in India. What are the causes for underdevelopment? The causes for underdevelopment are low production, low income, lack of basic necessities, illiteracy, superstition, lack of health and hygiene, lack of civic amenities. Which are the consumer rights granted by John F. Kennedy? The consumer rights granted by John F. Kennedy are the right to safety, the right to choose, the right to information, and the right to be heard. Fourth main, answer the following questions in 3 to 6 sentences each. What were the effects of British education in India? The effects of British education in India were Indians could develop modernity, secularism, democratic attitudes. Impetus was received for the local literature and languages. This facilitated unity in thinking process among the educated class. Periodicals started emerging. New social and religious reformation movements emerged. The thoughts of J.S. Mill, Rousseau, and Montesquieu brought fresh thinking. The freedom struggle that were taking place across the globe influenced the Indians also. Indians could understand and appreciate their rich tradition. Or what were the contributions of Puttabasappa of Kodagu in Indian freedom struggle? The contributions of Puttabasappa of Kodagu in Indian freedom struggle were he presented himself as Swami Aparampara. He organized the rebels and calmed down the people. He declared that tax on tobacco and salt will be withdrawn. The capture of the government office in Bellary was the first move. He killed Amaldar. The rebels marched towards Mangalore to capture it. The British sought the army of Talacheri, Kannur and Bombay to quell this uprising. He and his associated fled towards Sulya. The British captured them with the help of people in Kodagu. He was hanged till death. What were the aims of Arya Samaj? The aims of Arya Samaj were all Hindus should believe in one formless God. No one is a Shudra or Brahmin by birth and caste-based system was rejected. Encouragement to intercaste marriages, rejection of polygamy and child marriage. Men and women are equal. One should study Vedas and other ancient sacred texts and preach them. Explain the economic causes for the first war of Indian independence. The economic causes for the first war of Indian independence were due to industrialization, the Indian handicrafts and industries diminished. The artisans of India became unemployed. Wool and cloth making industries suffered a lot. The Indian handicrafts became financially pathetic. The British levied high customs on Indian goods. The farmers were exploited by zamindars. Land tax collection rights of talukdas were withdrawn. Inam lands were also withdrawn. The farmers had to undergo lot of economic hardships. Which are the measures taken to solve unemployment in India? The measures taken to solve unemployment in India are: steps have been taken to improve the skill level of the job seekers, providing loans and subsidy to inculcate world-class skill to our people. They could compete with global production. Every citizen of the country should be encouraged to indulge in one or the other employment, providing job-oriented course to all. List out the measures taken to eradicate untouchability in India. The measures taken to eradicate untouchability in India are: the Article 17 prohibits untouchability. Untouchability Offences Act in 1955, Protection of Civil Rights Act in 1976. According to this act, practicing untouchability is a crime. Universal right to vote and participate in elections. Reservation has been given in the field of education and employment for SC and ST along with backward classes. The SC and ST Act of 1989 has given some specific responsibilities for the governments in the eradication of untouchability. Explain the importance of transport in India. The importance of transport in India are: it helps in the development of primary sector, the secondary sector and the tertiary sector. It helps to develop resources. It helps to develop agriculture. It promotes industrial progress. It widens the market. It increases internal and external trade. It provides employment opportunities. It raises the income. The standard of living of the people can be increased. It encourages tourism. It helps in defense. Which factors influence localization of industries? Supply of raw materials, supply of power, transport and communication facilities, market facilities, capital, labor and water supply, ideal climate, government policies. All these factors influence localization of industries. Or, which are the preventive measures to be taken to face cyclones? The preventive measures taken to face cyclones are: cyclones are natural phenomena. We cannot prevent them, but people can pay heed to the warnings. They should keep in touch with radio, television. Temporary shelter should be provided. Cyclone-proof structures can be constructed. Mangrove forests and other deep-rooted trees can be grown along the coastline. Explain Human Development Indicators. Human Development Index is the average of expected life expectancy, educational attainment and per capita income of a country's people. Health is measured in terms of life expectancy, education is measured in terms of literacy attainments and purchasing power through per capita income. Life expectancy is measured in terms of availability of nutritious food, excellent health and hygiene facilities, clean environment, etc. The educational achievement of a country is measured on the basis of the average period of schooling completed by individuals about 25 years and the expected period of school education that the children of 5 years might receive in their lifetime. Or explain the importance of rural development. The importance of rural development are: it contributes not only to rural but also the overall development of the country. It creates greater demand for industrial products and services. It generates additional employment opportunities. Higher productivity could be achieved. Better health results in higher work participation by people. Agro-processing, small-scale and cottage industries will develop, leading to gradual transformation of the villages. Migration to cities will be reduced. All these contribute toward reduction of poverty. Mention the major objectives of Consumer Protection Act. The major objectives of Consumer Protection Act are: the Act accords importance for safety and quality, avoiding production and sale of dangerous goods, prevention of trade malpractices in the market, supervision on quality, weights, measures and price, compensating the consumers in case of any problem arising as a result of trade, creating awareness to the consumers through consumer education. Or mention the characteristics of banks. The characteristics of banks are: dealing with money, individual, firm or company, acceptance of deposits, lending loans, payment and withdrawal, agency and utility services, profit and service orientation, ever increasing functions, connecting link, banking business, name, identity. Fifth main, answer the following in 8 to 10 points each. Explain the role of moderates in the freedom movement of India. Traditionally, the first 20 years of the Indian National Congress is called as the Age of Moderates. The major leaders of moderates are W.C. Banerjee, M.G. Ranade, Surendranath Banerjee, Dadabhai Naoroji, Gopalakrishna Gokhale. The demands of moderates are cutting down of military expenditure, development of Indian industries, providing good education, programs for poverty alleviation. What were the achievements of Jawaharlal Nehru as the Prime Minister of India? The achievements of Jawaharlal Nehru as the Prime Minister of India were: he can be seen as the architect of industrialization and modern India. He became instrumental in the integration of India, which was achieved by Vallabhbhai Patel. He also laid foundation for the diverse culture of India by implementing language-based reorganization of states policy. He had firmly believed that only complete industrialization can bring development. He sought to develop India through 5-year plans. He sought to develop infrastructure and heavy industries through these 5-year plans. He laid foundation for that under the leadership of H.G. Baba. He advocated non-alignment, Panchashila principles. Or what were the major developments that took place during non-cooperation movement? The major developments that took place during non-cooperation movement were: Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das, Motilal Nehru, Rajendra Prasad left their legal practice. Students boycotted schools and colleges. Congress boycotted the elections for regional bodies. Kashi Vidyapita, Gujarat Vidyapita, Bihar Vidyapita and Jamia Millia Islamia Rashtriya Vidyalaya were established. Rabindranath Tagore returned his knighthood. Common people and women donated liberally to the Congress. Shops selling foreign goods were boycotted and foreign clothes were burnt. The visit of Prince of Wales in 1921 was opposed. Explain the structure and functions of the General Assembly of UNO. It is an affiliated body consisting of representatives from all the member states. Every country sends 5 representatives to this body, but every country has only one vote. The general body elects one of its members as the president for a year. People are elected for posts of 17 president, vice president and 7 chairperson for the 7 permanent committees. Its meeting begin around September and continue till mid-December every year. For all the important matters of approval, a 2/3 majority is mandatory. General budget is approved in the General Assembly. A special session can be convened if there are any emergency issues. It acts like a global parliament to discuss world issues. List out the different land use patterns of India. The different land use patterns of India are net zone area, forest area, land not available for cultivation, fallow land, cultivable waste, permanent pasture and other grazing land, land under miscellaneous uses. Sixth main, draw an outline map of India and mark these. Govinda Pant Vallabha Sagar, Teapot of India, Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, Nilgiris. A. Govinda Pant Vallabha Sagar. B. Teapot of India. C. Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. D. Nilgiris. Alternative question for blind candidates only. Explain the importance of Himalayas. The Himalayas act as a natural frontiers, prevent foreign invasion. They prevent the cold winds from Central Asia. They obstruct the rain-bearing winds and this causes heavy rainfall. Their slopes have thick forests. They are ideal for plantation crops, example tea in Assam. They are a storehouse of minerals, the birthplace of many rivers and waterfalls which are used to generate hydroelectric power.